Get
so
out.
you would rather someone who consciously holds back?
No, you don't have to hold back. You can like let me know that you like me. Just that you can just be cool about it. Hello friends. Sakura is here right now. If you guys watch my Singaporean girls try Thai snacks, you'll see her in there, or like any other. We started off with spicy Korean ramen and that was like a hit. Within like what, 2 weeks it hit maybe like 40-ish K.
What can I say? We went viral.
Yeah, so anyway we'll be kind of like talking about modern day dating. It's just gonna be a very casual like Q&A session between both of us, and we just like kind of want to talk about it because I've been single for a year now. I was like in and out of, and now I'm getting like bored of it again. It's just very hard for me to invest in a relationship or like in general in somebody. I mean, it looks okay, but it's quite greasy. So I'm just gonna use this 7 Sparkling Scalp Bubble Tick, and it's by Marcel. So if you guys want to get it, I will link my store down below. You guys can get it at shopkelkeltan.com. Oh yeah, and it has like this like frying egg sizzling sound effect. So this has like salicylic acid, which is really cool, and it actually helps to deep cleanse the pores in your scalp. Sakura, do you want to say hi? Just a quick one.
Hey folks, what's the thing you hate most about modern dating?
What I hate most about
There's so much, right?
a lot.
And if you have any,
I would say what I hate most about myself when I do modern day dating, right? I go through this phase where like, oh yeah, I can date everyone and anyone. Once I get out of that 1 month phase, I'll start ghosting people, and it's so shit. I avoid confrontations or like I avoid rejections. If I don't like this person, it's very hard for me to let him know that, oh yeah, like I don't want to continue this. And like, how I'll get out of the situation would be just ghosting that person, which is disrespectful first.
Okay, the term ghosting has only become like more prevalent after this modern dating like existed, right? How is it that like you only started ghosting people after you've been on these dating apps? Perhaps you had this characteristic of ghosting people even before.
It definitely became more prominent to me at 19 or 18. I got into a relationship really early in the years, so like I didn't have the chance to use dating apps in general. So like I don't have the kind of experience in modern day, so-called modern day dating lah. And so I didn't know that I have the tendency to ghost people. I first started using Tinder and apps like that maybe a year back, like exactly a year back.
Oh my god, yeah?
Yeah, I literally just go on dates, Tinder dates, thinking that like I would have a future with the guy, and it's just like so off. Yeah, I was filled with hope. Okay,
what made that change in you though? Was there any incident that happened that made you realize that you don't have to take these relationships so seriously?
Firstly, not all guys are gems. Sakura, she's like my human diary. I always say that. I tell her literally everything, and she's like, Kel, you're just like too critical on people and too critical on like flings.
Because you're too serious about each fling.
Yeah, because like I am only experienced in like long-term relationship. Usually when I want to invest my emotions or anything, right, I'll be super serious and critical whether like this guy take all my criteria or whether like, you know, I like him enough to go on dates. Go on a first date with this guy and then I'll tell her that, oh yeah, I'm not interested anymore because of one thing that I don't like about this guy. For example, he chews with his mouth open, and I don't like that fact. And it's just a small matter, and like I'll tell her that, oh yeah, I don't want to go out with him anymore. Just because of this one thing, right, that I cannot accept in my boyfriend, I don't want to go out with this person as a fling or a friend anymore. And it's so rude and it's so unfair to the guy itself, and also unfair to me because I never give myself the chance to like look past that. Yeah, so it's really a huge thing to me, even though no matter how small that thing is to someone else. Yeah.
Okay, I get it. Okay, so yeah, it seems like you drop people very easily in such situations, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which is very likely because they are just flings. But do you
not even
like,
flings, to be honest. They are just like Tinder dates that I go on one date with. Okay.
But perhaps
clarifying.
I've been told that you've been out with it's not just one date. Sometimes you go on multiple dates and then you drop them very easily.
Drop them meaning what? Like I just like don't reply,
yeah,
or like
you cut contact with them.
Oh, I cut contact with them. Not entirely though. Sometimes I would reply to their like IG stories and just like, whoa, cool lunch, nice coffee.
Yeah. But like mentally, you detach yourself from them. Although you used to be very attached to them. Like you spend a lot of time with them, right? Do you feel like you met them through an app, or like maybe like it was an easy relationship that you have formed with them? That's how you can cut contact with them so easily.
Truth be told, I just don't like them enough. It's so arrogant to say that, but honestly, like I've tried being with a person that I am not 100% interested, and then it ended up hurting that person a lot. Yeah, and I don't want to do that anymore, so I rather like just drop them before I go into that stage where like they think that I love them. Honestly, after like my breakup, it's very difficult for me to like someone 100%, like wholeheartedly. I usually get like infatuated a month, or like longest like 3 months.
You're allowed to be dating multiple people at once. What's your view on that?
Agreed.
Okay.
Unless like we have a pact and we say that, oh yeah, we're exclusive to each other. I mean, like, okay, honestly, like I'm just gonna be like transparent with you guys that if our dating involves like having sex, right, then I think it's very important for your partner to let you know that, oh yeah, I'm actually like dating, I'm seeing a few girls and I'm doing the same shit. Yeah, but if cause I feel that that's only like respectful, because I would let the guy know also, so I wouldn't be, you know, being very casual with every single guy, and like what if like this person has like STD or anything and it would like impact the other person, right? I don't want to hurt anyone.
What's your biggest tip for people going into like such dating scenes?
You want a tip from me? Seriously, you want an advice from me?
Yeah,
I have like 0 results, 0 ROI.
Are there any learnings from this?
Okay, honestly, right, like I've met quite a few like nice guys, but like, you know, I'm just not into like nice guys. Oh, this is the Charlotte Tilbury contour one, just that like it's wrecked. Not that I don't like nice guys, but they're just
like nice guys.
What? Sakura always say that if it's easy, I don't want, and it's so not true.
The hell? A few days ago you came to me, you're like, oh my god, Sak, you're right.
Okay, it's right. Like, okay, honestly, but then if I let people know
yourself.
Okay, wait. A guy needs to know like push-pull. Doesn't mean that if you are like very difficult, then I will like you. You get what I mean? Yeah. So like you need the right amount of push-pull. You can't just be like, you're a bitch, like you suck, and then like you expect me to like you. You still have to be nice and gentle. It cannot be like, oh my god, like I'm head over heels. Then I'll just be like, oh.
So you would rather someone who consciously holds back?
No, you don't have to hold back. You can like let me know that you like me, just that you can just be cool about it. You know?
Yeah.
You don't have to be like, oh my god, Kel, like you're my goddess, like, you know, you're like a angel. I'm like, get out. I cringe. Okay, honestly, like Sakura would know, like I'm more like a manly girl. Yeah, very like, honestly, where we were like, we don't like super cringy stuff.
Please don't worship us.
Yeah, you don't have to worship us. You can respect us, you can be loyal. Not you can be, you have to be loyal, and like you have to be royal. You have to be a royal blue blood. No, you have to respect us lah, for fuck's sake.
She said it.
Anyone worshipping their boyfriend or girlfriend is sick. It's sick. Seriously, I really don't like it.
I agree.
We're on like equal standing, okay? And like one person used to tell me that men are superior. Oh!
Who the heck? Extend it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now that you've got some traits that you realize that it's a no-go that previously you didn't know.
Okay, once I see them, I will escape. So red flags in a guy lah. Firstly, the person will never ever say men are superior. first red flag would be grammar. I'm just kidding, like English suck too, okay? But because if I can spot grammatical error, right, in your text or like your messages, right, then I think it's fucked up already. Honestly, like as a friend, what do you think is my red flag? Like I would just like drop the person.
Oh, what do I think is a red flag? When a guy tries to take charge of everything, you know, he doesn't know how to give in.
Oh.
He doesn't know how to hold back on things.
Yeah, that's like one thing that I don't like. I think I'm dominating.
No, you like to be
Bossed around.
no, you like to be dominated.
Yeah.
I think you like to be dominated, but a lot of times, like, there are certain things that you want to be in control of.
Wow, it's getting very warm here.
It is getting very hot.
Yeah. Would you mind to turn on the AC? Yeah, and I also take like astrology signs very seriously.
Oh my god, yeah, how did I forget about that? Ideally, right, you're trying to dig out their birthday.
Oh my god, are we like, wait, exposing a little bit too much?
This applies to everyone you've met.
Oh,
you know what,
okay.
this is regardless of whether they're dates or not. This is like,
Even friends.
whoever you meet, you're trying to dig out like when's your birthday.
It's when's your birthday? Kidding. Let's end it off with cheers. Cheers. Salut! Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.